It's in here somewhere. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today is the day that so many of you have been waiting for. Today's the day we fix the Speedo on the 1983 Kawasaki GPZ1100. So this guy showed up yesterday all the way from Scotland. Special thanks to Kevin Wilson. A viewer saw it, saw the Speedo wasn't working, reached out to me, and then here we are. So let's get this guy open. And this is super exciting. First I thought it was going to be confetti that was going to come at me. We will do a little later, we'll put these together to see what they say. I'm joking, we're not going to do that. Let's see if we can get it out with keeping the paper in the box. Awesome. This is like Christmas. Kevin, thank you so much. I haven't even seen it yet, but getting there. I don't think the thank you was premature. This thing would have survived if they would have dropped it out of the plane. It's in here somewhere. Is it brand new? No, it's really good. Safety sealed and everything. Look at that. Somebody rode this one. Oh, we're in KHs. But that's okay. I don't mind. Just makes me look like I'm going way faster. That's awesome. I'm just going to clean it up really quick before we put it on the bike, and then we'll go from there. Before we take these guys apart to clean it up, I'm going to go ahead and pull these guys off. That way if I need anything from here, I can put them onto here and we'll be good to go. So let me set you guys up and let's get this thing going. Okay, so here's the new Speedo, albeit in kilometers, and this is the original one that's in miles per hour. And I think what I can do is take them both apart and then just pull this face off. Originally thought I was going to try to change this faceplate, but this one popped off. This needle popped off really good, really easy. This one, not so much, and I don't want to break it. I may give it another go, but I just don't want to break it because I'm okay with it being in kilometers. I can do math, but I'd prefer to have this one. But let me see what we can come up with. I'll try one more time. Let me see if we can get it. I was able to get this cap off, this black cap. Able to get it off, but whereas the other one came off in one fell swoop. Oh, not that. Where'd he go? Oh, here. The other one came off all intact. This one came off separate, and then this guy is like not wanting to come off, and I don't want to snap it. Oh, maybe it's coming up. Maybe not. And I don't want to break this drive because I kind of need it. Yeah, see, I don't want to break it. It's not even moving. It's not even going anywhere. So we're just going to clean this guy up. Okay, so another thing that I just noticed, this one is the old one, and it has the button for the voltmeter. This one does not have it, so I'm going to pull this Speedo off, put this one in, and we're just going to swap them. So guys, there you have it. We now have a working Speedo. Thanks to Kevin from Scotland for sending this to us. It's amazing. We have it. We know that it works. We'll have to wait to see it on the road because it's raining outside right now. So guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And oh, before I even do all that business, we have been riding this guy just about daily, almost daily, and it's flawless. It's been just perfect. Everything about it. Now that we have a Speedo, now we get to see how fast we're going. Before we were just guessing. So thanks, Kevin, for that. It's awesome. And guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends, Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, Plan B Motos, Pete's Classic Cycles, and Lady Moto Bang. And give those guys a subscribe too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day. Oh! Check out Two Wheels and Deals for everything, selling parts, motorcycles, buying parts, buying motorcycles. It's free to list, it's free to sell. Check it out. Casey's a good friend. Go check out his new venture and sell something or buy something or do both, sell and buy something. Thanks again, guys. Again, twowheelsanddeals.com. So thanks again. You guys have a great day and we'll talk to you next time.